A long time ago, in a small village in China lived a boy with an extraordinary gift. This boy could talk to the mirror. Whenever he looked into the mirror, it wasn't just his reflection that stared back at him, but a wise old man who offered guidance and advice. One day, the boy was looking at himself in the mirror and asked the old man inside for some tips on how to become stronger. The old man stroked his long white beard and replied, "You are strong, young one, but you don't realize your own strength. Go out into the world and come back when you have faced many challenges, and you will see how much stronger you have become." So the boy went out into the world. He traveled to far-off lands and faced many challenges. But no matter how difficult things got, he remembered the old man's words and pushed through. One day, after many years had passed, the boy returned to his village. He was now a strong and confident young man. As he walked through the village, he noticed a group of men gathered around a well. They were arguing and couldn't agree on what to do next. "What's going on here?" the young man asked one of the villagers. "We need to get water from that well," the villager replied, "but it's too deep and there's no bucket. And the rope we have is too short to reach the bottom." The young man looked into the well and thought for a moment. Then he said, "I can help you with that." The villagers were surprised. "How can you help us? You're just a stranger," one of them said. "Because I am strong," the young man replied, and began to dig a hole in the side of the well. The villagers watched in amazement as he dug and dug until a hole big enough for a bucket was made. Then he climbed down into the well and pulled up the first bucket of water and gave it to a villager. "Thank you," the villager said, surprised by the man's strength. "You are very strong," another added. The young man smiled and said, "It's because I listened to the old man in the mirror. He told me that I was strong, even when I didn't think I was. He helped me to believe in myself and become the person I am today." The villagers were amazed. They had never heard anything like this before. After the young man had helped them all, they invited him to stay in the village. And so he did, sharing his story with everyone and helping them to see the strength that lay within. And that's the story of the boy who talked to the mirror. Now, whenever someone thinks they are not strong enough to face a challenge, the villagers remember the story and encourage them to look inside themselves and believe in their own strength. And you, my friend, are stronger than you think. There may be times in your life when things seem difficult or impossible, but remember the story of the boy who talked to the mirror. Believe in yourself and your ability to overcome any challenge that comes your way. You are stronger than you think. Now, I want you to close your eyes and imagine yourself as the main character of your own story. You have a unique gift or ability that sets you apart from others. What is it? How does it help you on your journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this story, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more amazing stories and motivational content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, remember, you are stronger than you think.